I'm on the banks of the Tennessee River at the ferry crossing where the Bell Party crossed on the Trail of Tears. The road to the ferry, the old road, is right here. And right up there is the Cherry Mansion where Grant was staying prior to Pittsburgh Landing and the Battle of Shiloh. Also, this place was lined in March of 1862. Union steamboats fought Tennessee River currents to carry an invading army deep into the Confederacy. At the height of the Union occupancy, transports and gunboats 4 and 5 deep lined both sides of the river. In front of you, men transported on these ships would fight the Battle of Shiloh and later capture the Confederate Rail Center at Corinth, Mississippi. So there's the river. I'll be going over this bridge on my way to Highway 22, going down Highway 22 to the Battle of Shiloh. And also before the Battle of Shiloh, there was the Indian Mounds. I'm going to stop there and visit those as well. And so this is the crossing for the Bell Route on the Trail of Tears, the Tennessee River. This was also the river route, portion of the river route on the Trail of Tears that they took by flatboats and steamboats and barges to Indian Territory.